In this footage, a Russian UAV operator flies over a Ukrainian forces pickup truck positioned on the far side of a bridge. The operator jumps off the back of the pickup in the final seconds, narrowly avoiding impact. The driver of the vehicle, however, fails to react in time and is unable to escape. The clip captures the precision and timing of UAV operations against exposed enemy transport. A drone strike by the 6th Army targeted a Ukrainian soldier attempting to cross a railway bridge, resulting in a direct engagement by an FPV drone. In this new footage, a Fiberoptic FPV drone operated by Russia's 25th Army tracks an enemy armored vehicle engaged in a medical evacuation. Maintaining control via a fiber optic link, the drone follows the vehicle and enters the rear compartment as it attempts to withdraw from the combat zone with a wounded serviceman on board. In this footage, a fiber-optic FPV drone operated by the Russian 30th Motor Rifle Division of the 44th Army Corps targets a Ukrainian armed forces soldier attempting to conceal himself in a trench in the Sumy region. The drone approaches the position at low altitude, tracks the soldier's movements, and delivers a precise strike while he remains partially exposed. In this new footage, a KVN fiber-optic FPV drone captures a Lancet loitering munition striking an artillery position of the Ukrainian armed forces in the Kharkiv region. The drone provides real-time observation of the strike, showing the approach, impact, and aftermath on the targeted emplacement. During operations against enemy oil and natural gas infrastructure in the Chernihiv region, a Ukrainian mobile ground unit attempted to intercept Russian Garan UAVs but was unable to do so. The engagement relied on advanced coordination using remotely piloted Geron aircraft, which provided real-time reconnaissance and targeting data. Despite the ground unit's efforts, the Russian UAVs maintained operational advantage, illustrating the challenges of countering fast-moving unmanned systems in contested airspace. The footage highlights the growing reliance on integrated drone networks for both offensive and defensive operations, where precision targeting, situational awareness, and rapid data relay are essential. Even when ground units attempt interception, UAVs can maintain an operational edge, emphasizing the importance of advanced anti-drone measures and coordinated multi-layered defenses in modern combat scenarios. In this footage, on the Krasnolman direction, another enemy armored vehicle of the Kozak type was disabled. Drone operators calmly and accurately detected the target, tracked it, and carried out a precise strike. The engagement reflects controlled execution and effective use of unmanned systems to neutralize enemy equipment in this sector. In this footage, a Russian armed forces thwart attempts by Ukrainian units to break through toward Moskovka near Kupiansk. The footage shows Russian positions actively engaging advancing Ukrainian forces, preventing their vehicles and infantry from advancing. Defensive fire, coordinated observation, and targeted strikes halt the enemy's movement, illustrating effective control of the front lines in this sector. In this new footage, a fiber-optic FPV drone operated by Russia's 25th Army targets an enemy pickup truck with infantry riding in the rear. The drone approaches the moving vehicle at low altitude and strikes it directly while the personnel are still on board. In this new footage, a Russian fiber-optic FPV drone tracks enemy infantry moving through a sparse forest belt with minimal cover. The drone follows the soldiers as they walk in single file across open ground between trees, clearly visible from above. Maintaining a steady approach, the operator guides the drone directly toward the exposed personnel, closing distance as the infantry attempts to continue moving through the area without effective concealment. Daily recap of FPV drone operations by the center group in their combat sector. The footage highlights multiple coordinated strikes against enemy vehicles, artillery positions, and infantry units across the area of responsibility. Operators conducted reconnaissance, identified targets, and executed precise engagements, neutralizing threats while maintaining situational awareness. These operations demonstrate the integration of unmanned systems into frontline tactics, allowing continuous pressure on opposing forces and disruption of their movements and logistics. In this footage, Fiberoptic FPV drone operators from the Vostok Group's 38th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade conduct strikes on UAF manpower and equipment northwest of Gulyai Pole, near the village of Tsvetkovo. The drone moves at low altitude over open terrain, identifies groups of personnel and military equipment, and delivers precise strikes, hitting targets positioned along field paths and near cover in the area. FPV operators of the 69th Motorized Rifle Division, 6th Guards Combined Arms Army Moscow, captured aerial footage of sunsets alongside striking imagery of Kiev forces transport burning in the Kharkiv region. Simultaneously, special forces of the 6th Guards Army, Leningrad Military District, identified a camouflaged 2S1 Gvozdika self-propelled gun hidden in a forest near Revolyashinoy. The artillery system was eliminated by multiple precise FPV drone strikes. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone intercepted a Ukrainian Baba Yaga type loitering munition while it was deploying munitions against Russian positions, preventing the attack and neutralizing the threat. In this footage, a Russian airborne troops fiber-optic FPV drone operator engages a UAF HMMWV in the Kupiansk direction. The drone tracks the vehicle as it moves along open terrain, maintaining a low-altitude approach to maximize targeting accuracy. As the HMMWV attempts to maneuver, the drone closes in and delivers a precise strike, disabling the vehicle and halting its movement. The footage captures both the approach and impact, highlighting the coordination between aerial reconnaissance and targeted engagement to neutralize enemy mobility on the battlefield. In this footage, Russian 60th Separate Guards Motor Rifle Somalia Battalion UAV Intelligence conducts a reconnaissance operation and identifies a concealed Ukrainian Armed Forces hideout. The UAV observes movement within the position and relays precise coordinates to an FPV drone team. As the infantry group attempts to exit the hideout and evade detection, the drone maneuvers with precision, maintaining a controlled approach. The FPV drone engages the target while the personnel are still attempting to escape, striking accurately and neutralizing the infantry group. The footage highlights the integration of UAV reconnaissance and FPV strike capabilities, showing how modern unmanned systems can monitor, track, and engage enemy forces in real time, even as they attempt to retreat. The operation demonstrates the persistent aerial threat to exposed units and the effectiveness of coordinated unmanned system tactics in limiting enemy mobility and operational options. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. In this footage, Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operators from the Vostok Group's 38th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade conduct a coordinated strike on Ukrainian Armed Forces infantry left stranded after an earlier engagement in the Rovnopoly area. The drones maintain precise control via fiber-optic links, closing in on the exposed soldiers moving through open terrain. As the infantry attempts to regroup and seek cover, the FPV drones maneuver with low-altitude precision and deliver targeted strikes. Each movement of the group is tracked in real time, allowing the drones to maintain engagement even as personnel attempt evasive action. The footage captures the effectiveness of combining reconnaissance and strike capabilities. UAVs detect and monitor enemy movement, while FPV drones provide rapid, controlled, and precise engagement of exposed targets. The operation highlights the vulnerability of isolated infantry in open areas when facing modern unmanned systems, and the critical role of fiber-optic FPV drones in limiting enemy maneuverability and sustaining pressure during ongoing combat operations. In this footage, a Russian VDV fiber-optic FPV drone equipped with thermal vision lies in ambush during nighttime operations. Using heat signatures, The drone detects two UAF soldiers walking across open terrain. As the pair moves forward, one thermal silhouette becomes clearly separated. The drone accelerates toward the target and strikes one of the soldiers, while the second figure is seen nearby as the impact occurs. In this footage, Russian unmanned systems conduct coordinated strikes across multiple sectors. Drone crews of the West grouping hit a UAV control point, two pickups, a cargo truck, and a robotic platform in Kharkiv. North grouping operators struck rear positions of Kiev forces in Sumy, destroying pickups, an armored vehicle, and a minibus. East grouping UAVs engaged enemy hexacopters west of Goliapol, taking down the drones and their control points. FPV drone crews targeted a Kiev forces hexacopter and a fortified strongpoint. West grouping further destroyed an M113 APC, a Humvee, pickups, cars, and two ground robotic systems near Kupiansk. The footage highlights precise, coordinated attacks on personnel, vehicles, and aerial assets across multiple operational areas.